I'm Ty Pritchard. I live in Fargo, North Dakota. We're at Red River Motorworks right now, and this is a 2012 Audi Avant A4. It is a S-Line Prestige Black Optic, which is a layer of complexity that I didn't know was hard to find. A lot of people have like a car that they remember from childhood, or something like kind of piqued their interest in it. I've always liked European wagons. I remember walking up the ski hill to Big Sky where me and my friends were carrying all of our stuff, and you could hear a car coming in the distance. Had the ski rack on, and I was just ripping up the hill, totally unbothered, like just went up the hill. And at that point I was kind of like, all right, that's probably my favorite car. I bought the car from a dealership in Jackson Hole, sight unseen. It popped up and I started calling because I was like looking for a very specific version of this car. And I told him that I wanted to buy it. And he's like, you don't want to see it? And I was like, no. So I put money down on it. I didn't have a plan. I just knew it was a car I wanted. I was living in Williston at the time. And a week before I was moving back, my car blew up. Not in the way that you think it happens. I was literally driving like 20 miles an hour, and then I dropped cylinder one. We just spent some time with it, trying to figure out what was wrong. Did a leak down test, cylinder one, it's not there. And so then it was just like, how deep we want to get into it. We dropped the oil pan, just shards of piston and pieces. And that was the point where it's just like, you can sell the car as is, dismantle it, like start parting it out, which at that point I had so much into it. And then the other solution was digging further into the motor or buying a motor off of an auction site and hoping that one's okay. After talking with Scott and Dave a little bit, we dug into the motor more. And then once we had the cylinders out, we were able to see that cylinder walls were undamaged. So then it really became a reconstruction. We did forged internals, different pistons, different rods, springs, everything. So the whole engine now feels capable of just not blowing up. The build itself is as stock as it can possibly look, but it's an OEM plus build. I don't want it to stand out. I wanted it to blend in, but I wanted it to be the nicest version of that car that ever existed. Having had it serviced at Red River before, and then them really taking care of me kind of through the whole process, then it was like, well, if I want to modify it, I want to bring it there too, because I know it'll be done right. And a lot of the stuff, I did some of the stuff myself. I don't know how many door panel pins I broke replacing the door handles, but was it worth it? Yes. Being a part of car culture, part of this community called Reborn Builds, and it's great. It's somewhere that you can follow each other, have questions. You really get to get into the people's garage and kind of understand what they're working on, things that they run into. It's just amazing to be able to kind of follow along at the same time. I'm on there at Shellrator. So if you have questions about Audi or Red River or anything that has to do with German cars, I probably have an idea. It's great. It's a great place to be.